it's Gina with WTI, and let's talk about one of life's super important things, and that's having the right kind of toilet paper. My husband and I are full-time RVers, and we want something that is not only comfortable to use, but is not going to just rip apart as soon as you touch it. We've been using this 2-ply toilet paper from Cabin Obsession in our RV, and we're really pleased with it. This is not flimsy toilet paper, it's soft, but it dissolves quickly. So if you own an RV, a boat, or any other type of vehicle where you might have to dump your waste system, you want something that's going to dissolve quickly so that you have peace of mind to know that you're not going to have a clogging situation later. You can see that when I put this in water, look how quickly it dissolves. And I was really impressed even an hour and a half later how much more it's dissolved since then. This comes 500 sheets to a roll and it lasts a long time. I like that each roll is individually wrapped. That makes it really nice to be able to stack and keep things looking tidy in my bathroom. When it's time to wipe your derriere, you're going to be glad you had this toilet paper from Cabin Obsession, and that's my point of view.